Okay, guys, today I would like to do with you drills sections for the upper body. So we need to get used to have our upper body be drifting outside of our hips and legs. What does it mean? You see this, it says sure. So that sure should travel right and left, forward and back. So we're gonna do a certain exercises. Let's put our weight on the right leg, left leg to the side, or you can put it on the left, and just copy me. You're gonna try to get your rib cage as far as you can in, and then get to neutral. As far as you can in, neutral, and use your foot, your free foot, to push out, then neutral, out, and as you do it, there is a sense of circle, almost there is a circle which is going up and scoop and return, boom, and try to have two legs straight and do the drifting breathing exercise, boom. So push from the foot, one foot is flat, one foot is the ball of the boom, and do it as much as you can. Feel like how you're pushing from the foot into the center, into the tummy, into your rib cage, and it drifts, and like scooping the energy from the front and returns it back. Boom. And we're gonna do it exactly on the other leg. You just stay at your home and watch it and copy me. Boom. So how I do it? I use a lot of pressure on that free foot. So the whole energy starts from the foot, travel through your center and going into your chest. Why is it important to do this? Because everything you're gonna do, you have to have a body drift first, which actually activate your hip pendulum, which activate your rotation, which activate your leg passing, activate your technique. And just do that drifting with me. And we can do it with the music, okay?